Those who resort to this masjid shall never suffer anything in this life to the end of time. Now, do not worry. Apply Udi on the point of the deceased and the deceased shall recover. Believe in God. This is no masjid but Dwarakamai. He who steps here will soon get health and happiness and his sufferings will come to an end. The Leelas of Sai Baba are incapable of being fully understood. The deeper the faith of the devotee, the more intensely he gets soaked in Baba's divine love. Baba took Samadhi on 15th October 1918. His devotees were extremely saddened by Baba's passing away and could no longer touch him or see his physical form. But our Baba, as a sign of his remembrance, left his devotees the precious and sacred Udi. Also known as Vibhuti by his devotees, this was Baba's greatest gift to humanity. Even as he left the material world, he was deeply concerned about our well-being and happiness. So, he blessed his children with the Udi, which is nothing else but Baba himself. This Udi is the visible form of Baba's soul. Though Baba took Samadhi and became one with the universal soul, he stayed back in this world in the form of Udi. This form of Baba, better known as his Udi, is forever alive with his divine presence. He lives as the sacred Udi even today for the welfare of his children. Those who have been fortunate enough to realize this presence have been benefited immensely. Thus, Baba's Udi, his miraculous sacred ashes, are a gift of his unconditional love to his children. There is no task that cannot be accomplished, no pain that cannot be relieved, no wish that cannot be realized if we have faith in Baba and his Udi. Anyone who begins the day by taking a little Udi mixed in water and ends the day with the same is filled in divine energy and light, which may not be visible to the human eye but shall surely be visible in their lives. Faith works wonders that even prayers can't, because even prayers are worked by faith. So, keep your faith firm and your patience strong. Baba's Udi is his special gift to his children, his gift of love. It is a priceless legacy that Baba's children have inherited from him. As a rule, all his children must apply Udi to their foreheads after a bath, when leaving the house for work, or at the time of starting out on a new venture or task. Anyone who is unwell or deceased must be given Udi mixed in water along with a sincere prayer to Baba to rid him of the ailment. Have faith in Baba's Udi, believing it to be Baba himself, and he will free you from all material, physical and temporal difficulties, and he will fill your present as well as future with light and energy. Om Sai Ram.